Alright, for the last week I've been installing a new Yamaha 25 horsepower fuel injected 4-stroke on my skinny water boat. I got an electric start. I didn't get tilt-in trim. I just think it would be a problem up there in the skinny water in the refuge. So this thing's pretty easy to tilt with the two tilt systems that's in here. I added the cavitation plate back on here again. I bought a new 4-bladed prop, and I've done about all I can do. I got a small tractor battery underneath this little area here in front of the fuel tank. I've also thrown new carpet on here, and it looks like I got good enough weather today to go throw this thing in the water and give it a try. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, let's go try this critter out for a few minutes, and I'm going to take it up the coast. Well, the throttle response is a whole lot more than that 2-stroke was. I gotta watch myself up here. I'll be throwing myself overboard. I'm gonna go put it in the boathouse and see what kind of stance it has sitting in here is in relation to the tunnel and the motor and all that good stuff. Alright, I'm sitting here looking at this tunnel. I might have a 1/4 inch more water over top this tunnel extension than I had before. This motor weighs 20 pounds more, and I've got about an 8-pound battery in here too, underneath this floor in front of the gas tank. But this is pretty much the same height that was sitting in the water column before, so I can't see any difference at all. Again, the throttle response, I gotta get used to that. Boy, a little bit more than I was used to with that 2-stroke. Alright, I think I'll ride it around again one more time, and I'm gonna put some clothes on, and I'm going to the refuge. Fish on, redfish. Man. Nice. In my face.